Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making custard and nutmeg mini tarts. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees and greased a muffin tray. First thing I'm going to do is cut my tart cases out. I'm now going to place my cases into my muffin tray. I am now going to cover with greaseproof paper and fill with rice. I'm now going to bake in the oven for 15 to 25 minutes. In my bowl, I am going to whisk together 5 egg yolks, granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of plain flour or cornstarch. I'm going to put my saucepan on a medium heat and add my 500 millilitres of milk into my saucepan and bring it to the boil. Now that our milk has come to the boil, I'm going to take it off the heat. I'm now going to put it back onto a medium heat and pour in my custard until it thickens. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Lastly, I'm going to add in my butter. I'm now going to leave this to cool down to room temperature. My custard is cooled to room temperature. I'm now going to fill my cases with the custard. I am now going to place them in the fridge so the custard can set overnight. Now that the custard has set, the final thing I'm going to do is sprinkle some nutmeg over the top. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.